Before we get into how to create drawings and layouts, I want to get you familiar with the AutoCAD interface itself, as well as introduce you to some of the terminology I'll be using throughout this course. To start, I'll go to the Application menu, shown by clicking the red A in the top left of the interface. From here, you'll find ways to create, open, save, import, export, publish, print, and close your drawings, as well as adjust the current drawing settings. Any option with an arrow can be hovered over to show additional commands, but if nothing is being expanded, a list of recent documents will be displayed here. To the right of the Application menu is the Quick Access toolbar, which gives easy accessibility to some of the more commonly used commands, such as save and undo. The drop-down on the right edge of the toolbar allows you to customize what is displayed on it, as well as gives you the option to show or hide the menu bar, which has more traditional File, Edit, and View drop-downs if you want to work with those. To the right of the Quick Access toolbar is the title bar, which displays the name of the currently open drawing, followed by the info bar. From here, you can quickly search the help database, access your account, the App Store, and the AutoCAD community, or view the full extent of the help and feedback options. Below all of this is the AutoCAD ribbon interface, which is broken up into tabs, panels, and commands. Right-clicking in black space on the ribbon allows you to change which tabs are displayed, which panels are displayed in the Active tab, as well as undock the entire ribbon. Individual panels can be undocked by simply clicking and dragging, and many can be expanded to show additional commands by clicking the flyout, which can be pinned open if the panel is docked. Right-clicking on a panel allows you to change which tabs or panels are showing, while right-clicking on an individual command includes the option to add the command to the Quick Access toolbar. Beneath the ribbon are the Drawing tabs, which give quick access to the Start screen and Open documents. Hovering over an Open Drawing tab displays a quick preview of all of the Model and Layout tabs in the drawing, allowing you to open directly to the selected tab. The large open space is the drawing area and is where you'll be interacting with your design. It will change a bit depending on if you're in a Model or a Layout tab, but otherwise functions as your canvas. Right-clicking here will bring up the context-sensitive shortcut menu, which will display commonly used commands based on what you've selected and what command is active. On the right of the drawing area are the View cube and Navigation bar. These allow you to move about the drawing and will be covered in more depth in the next lesson. At the bottom of the drawing area is the command line. Typing in the command line will give you access to all the commands available in the software directly, and once a command is active, will update with prompts on how to use it. Additionally, it keeps a record of what actions have been taken during the session, which you can show permanently by expanding it up or temporarily by pressing F2. Much of the command line's functionality can be echoed next to the cursor if the dynamic input drafting setting is active, which it will be throughout this course. The drafting settings can be modified by typing D settings and using the Drafting Settings dialog box, or turned on and off by clicking on the icons in the status bar in the bottom right. Clicking the rightmost option on the status will bring up a list of the settings stored on the bar, with checkmarks identifying what is currently showing. Finally, the bottom left of the interface shows the Model and Layout tabs, with the Active tab displaying in bold with highlight. The plus icon to the right allows you to quickly add a new default Layout tab, but note that there can only be one Model tab in a drawing.